to Immigration Health Services. Those are contracts. I don't know if they're necessarily centers of excellence, but certainly they have earned a contract and a care. I think there are going to be multiple groups that will offer these services. It takes some coordination. It takes a clinical champion to want to do this, but and some technology. But I think it is the way that our next generation of physicians are going to be giving care. I don't think it's necessarily going to be in a hub, maybe for special diseases, but for general care. I think our next generation of physicians, I think it's going to be there. We'll be evaluating patients remotely. You and I will be in our home and we'll be able to send images, get care in that manner. So I think it's going to be more diffuse, and perhaps there'll be some centers of excellence. Certainly Ryder Trauma Center is working on linking to EMS centers and trauma centers around the state to be able to provide that expertise. So it may happen, but it is happening now. Yes, Steve.
Yeah, my question was along the same lines. I guess to go beyond that, do you see this allowing countries like India and China that are starting to offer like radiology services and things, how do you see that competing within the United States? Do you see that having a major impact? Is University of Miami talking about the fact that somebody from India could try to compete for those same services?
It's a factor. The reality is that you need to have folks here in the U.S. who have the capacity and willingness to do that work. So the reason that's an effective model is that, you know, people want to sleep at night, and there aren't enough specialists to do that. My hope is that we bring it back, you know, and I'm hoping that University of Miami expands so that we don't need a service like that. But if you are a small group and there are 3 of you, someone has to maintain the call at night. So I can see it continuing. I would certainly hope it would stay home. Well, thank you very much for your questions and your attention.